A mix of engineers, industry, and they have some of their own ideas. So this is for them. It's a first-time immersion in the hospital setting, with an aim to actually see whether on ground their ideas, fit or not in the preliminary. The basic, actually is relevant in the hospital setting, yes or no. And then later when they interact with the doctors, they can probably, you use that opportunity to actually throw your questions, concerns to doctors of relevance of your idea, effectiveness of your idea, how you can make it better, all of those, and blank questions also of what are their concerns. We have this list of ideas anyways, which you should go through. I mean, this can be circulated. This could be seed of ideas for you. These have come from some of our doctors itself. What you take back today could be this idea, could be your idea, could be something else you pick up while on the tour. So use this opportunity well, and we wish you all the best.
Let it be very informal, because if you people have questions, you want to know something, any point of time you can ask us. We will want to clarify all your doubts. By the end of the tour, we want you people to get a real understanding how a hospital runs. We generally, for a layman or other people, non-medical people, the contact with the hospital is just you come to the doctor or you come to a hospital, admit, and then you leave. But what happens in the back end? What are the departments that are involved? What is the processes that goes on into the hospital? Is something which is not aware to a lot of people. So that is our idea, to make you people understand. So unless you people are interested, and ask us questions, then we will be ready to answer whatever is there as we go on the tour.
Tomorrow, nobody knows. It could become into a small company which grows into a really large company. You need one disruptive idea, just one disruptive idea to make it happen. Have the belief that you can do it. Put your analytics, put your mind into it. Ask the doctors. You can always be engaged with us. This is just a start, but believe me, one idea, if pursued seriously, you can actually make it something very beneficial for patients, the doctors, and a commercial success also. So with that, I'll leave you and wish you all the best.
Keep your minds open. Some of you, I know, have ideas, but the kind of opportunities that are presented over here are really vast. And as Seeman rightly said, it's that one small idea that becomes something very disruptive is what I think you are going to pursue.
To really solve problems in the medical area, you need to immerse yourself in that problem for a decent amount of time, right? In any field, in any innovation, and especially in healthcare, is that you need to start off with an assumption, then you have to go deep, understand what really the need is, and then come up with solution. Often you will surprise yourself that the solution is something that you might not even thought about in the beginning. But understanding the problem, as all of us are saying, is very, very important. That leads you to the right direction, or a completely direction which will not lead you anywhere.
So we will raise the code blue. We will announce, we have a system, paging system, we will raise the code blue. The moment people will listen the code blue, team, those who are responsible in that team, they will come on the spot. They will help the patient immediately. So this is called code system. Across Hyderabad, only this is the hospital where we have disaster management plan. We call it code red.
You use pagers for that?
It is a public paging system. We will announce. We announce. Suppose I have a patient over here, and suddenly I see this patient is not responding. Right? So I suppose I am a junior doctor over here. How I am going to help this patient out? There is a methodology. In that methodology, before I am going to help this patient, I will call for the code blue. So it will go across the hospital. I may not be there in my position, so people may not be able to call me. One. Secondly, my phone may not be right now accessible, so they need my help. I may hear it, I will go over there and give my expert opinion on the patient, how we are going to help, right? Then yes.
Actually, is there a dedicated team for coaching?
Yes, we have highly dedicated team for the Code Blue. Nobody can go over there. The moment there is a Code Blue, people, those who are not in the Code Blue team, they should not go over there. Only people those who are authorized. Mean to say, we have consultant in our emergency room. They will come. One, some anesthetist will come over there, and critical care specialist.